Alright guys, there you have it. So I'm finally home, done after that drive or cruise or whatever. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. That is the whole Burble tune. They're just hearing some quick pops and bangs or whatever. Just a little bit of how the Burble works. I mean, yeah, it only works on decel, obviously, if you guys aren't familiar. Certain RPM. For this car, it's tuned at the 4,000, 5,000 RPM, but I've noticed for sure once I go over 3K or 3,000 and then decel while I'm in gear, yeah, it'll definitely, you can hear some of the burbles or pops, whatever. But you do have to give it some throttle, maybe like 2 or 3%, so it's really small, not too crazy when you're on the throttle. But other than that, guys, yeah, that's pretty much it. Go ahead, subscribe, comment, like. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next one.